On today's episode of Turkey Burping, also it's a brisk 28 degrees here in Tennessee. I'm not sure what it feels like where you're at, but that's pretty freaking cold, and I'm sure you're wondering, how do the birds stay warm in the winter? Well, a few things. Their internal body temperatures for turkeys, chickens, and ducks ranges anywhere from like 102 to 107 degrees, with the norm for turkeys being about 106.7. I've mentioned before they have anywhere from 5,000 to 6,000 feathers on their bodies, and then their feet are actually covered in scales that help prevent heat from dissipating from their body. And then we can feed them stuff that actually helps speed up their metabolism and create more heat within their body, things like corn. So there you go. Now you know how they stay warm. Me, I need a jacket and some gloves because I'm freezing.